'Tis well I mind that summertime when I first met Rosie Black. I was young and strong, the days were long, and the nights were filled with crack. The clipper tones were all the rage round the city hall Armagh, and I was there with 19 others all in Higgins Hackney Carriage. She wore no paint upon her face, she had no fancy clothes. She didn't need a hanky, for she never blew her nose. But she'd get up and dance with great delight. She'd cheer and clap the band. She'd dance to the rattle of a bucket, and she's daft on Jimmy Shan. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no fight or gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked doubts would turn me from her door. No briar stance, nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. Well, I courted her both long and hard, she was treated like a queen. 2 pictures in the cosy, fish suppers and ice cream. I asked her father for her hand, for I'd fallen neath her spell. He said, you can have her surely, and you can take her ma as well. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no fight or gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked doubts would turn me from her door. No briar stems, nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. Now the next time that I saw me love, the blood did freely spill. She was eating chips in Malacca's with a gift from Bambrook Hill. I hit him a clip on the bullet lip, never thinking of my girl Rose. And she lifted a bottle of vinegar and broke it across me nose. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no fight or gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked doubts would turn me from her door. No briar fence, nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. With a broken heart and a busted nose, I caught the last bus home. Never more to dance in the city hall to the sound of the clipper tones. But it is John Wayne that I do blame for all of my downfall. For what for Maury no heart was, no good for Rosie Black. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no fight or gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked doubts would turn me from her door. No briar stems, nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. Now I've said farewell to Hackney cars, picture houses and dance halls, and I'll do me curtain nearer to home, where the girls are neat and small. But I dare not go into a chip shop now, for I smell vinegar, I get a pain in me nose, and I think of Rosie